I said today Jack is working on problem solving. We have a slightly unstable rope, very well mounted, and then a little one coming down to a thing of dried unsalted soybeans. Jack went. I want that soybean. Good girl. Another one? It's like, come on, I love it.
Now we just add some baking soda. Alright, we're going to bring it to a boil, turn it down, and let it simmer for 12 minutes. Not 11? Nope. Not 13? Nope. 12? 12 is the number. Once it brings us to a boil, the baking soda, it's just a big...
Come on, baby.
Do you ever take the foam home?
Come on, baby. Oh, practice makes perfect.